the pan. Add canola oil on the pan, and let it heat until ready for deep frying. Put the tofu and let it fry until it turns crispy. If it's already crispy, put it in a strainer to reduce the excess oil. For the sauce we need 80 grams of mayonnaise, 1 calamansi, 1 teaspoon of onion and garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of liquid seasoning. We just have to mix it all together and let the powders be dissolved. In the pan, put some canola oil and sauté 1 medium-sized of onions that is thinly sliced. Add 1 red bell pepper that is chopped into small and thinly sliced. Then add a portion of 1 green pepper and sauté it together. Then add the tofu and sauté it all together. Put the sauce mixture and turn off the pan when you start mixing. It. Heat the sizzling plate. Add butter or margarine. If there's no available, you can put little bit of oil. Turn off the stove and put the tofu on the sizzling plate. Then add the remaining portion, green pepper for garnish. Now I will taste my version of sizzling tofu for you, my friends. It's really yummy. Try this at your homes and for sure your family will love it.